Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is March 14th, 2019. We are on the Fine Arts Phase 2 construction project. This will be our 5th video of this series and we'll be taking you through progress since our last update. Let's begin our update using our aerial photography at the north end of the site. Going back to our last video taken at the very end of January, the progress is right here. The foundation was not complete. Where you see the white tarp right over here, this is the northeast corner of the building where the corridor ties into Drama Music Building A. As I said, the foundation was not there. Not only is the foundation complete, but the masonry wall that establishes this corner is complete. So where you see the white tarp, they're just about taking off in through here. And the masonry is working on the small shops in this section of the building. To the right, that's our dirt. We're going to take you down and show you the paint and the scene shops through here, the high bay areas. And finally, that's the staircase to the left, the elevator shaft to the right. When we look down, we can see the ironworkers setting the metal deck. Some of the feature progress since our last update. A little different look. This is what we're going to call a zip line look through in here. And again, where the dirt is, we can see a passageway for access to bring men and materials in through there. And there's some beams we're going to show you up close over the loading dock to support the roof line, this high bay area in through here. Now this look is the focus on this corridor. So that's Drama Music A and Drama Music B down through here. But this is the focal point where the students are going to come in through. We're just passing over a set of stairs we're going to show you up close. This will be the last look to our V columns come in very shortly. And we'll finish going from south to north. We'll take a good look where the ironworkers are settled. We're installing the metal deck right in this area right through there. We can see a little bit of smoke from the welding coming down in that section there. And again, these are our small shops, and that's how the mason's going to work on this job. From the corridor on the east side moving towards the west, you can actually see the lull passing through the section, the accessible pathway over the top of the foundations. And finally, where the job started, the mechanical tunnel, is where we're going to begin our boots on the ground. We were here last month. Let's check the progress on our utility tunnel. And this is our condensate, just so that you know, we're making steam inside here. Not everything is completely connected. That's what you see the little steam is in right here, our condensate. As we go through the tunnel, location, our demarc location. Again, we showed you earlier previous videos. This is the tunnel that runs under Nave Catter building right in through here. This is where we tied in through here. Okay, let's take a quick peek, check the progress in our mechanical room. And that's what we have down here. We have mechanical, electrical, IT, and then the elevator in here. This is actually a pretty good space for a mechanical room in through here. Sometimes they're pretty small. Pump setups, good work on the piping, our exchanger up in the air in through here. Our X-Roll tank right in through here. Nice. We'll come down and take a quick peek in the electrical room. And some back boxes is always where it starts. Our rough-ins going on in through here. IT, you won't see anything in the IT room, except we stored some materials in here and eventually the racks in through here. We saw on the overhead, we talked about the elevator shaft. That's what we have in here. Okay, we have a stairway in here, a working stairway that the mason had to build his block all the way up there. We've showed you some videos previously here on elevator shafts. That's what we have here. It's actually pretty great to build an elevator shaft out of CMU concrete masonry units. We'll continue from the elevator shaft. We'll take a quick peek. Again, we showed you from the overhead. All right, the stair tower. It's excellent to be able to get in through here. A temporary stairway in through here now. Okay, this metal stairs come in afterwards. Great to be able to build a block in this form right through here. We actually used the temporary stairs coming up out of the elevator. About 6 weeks ago, our last update. This area was the first section we came in through here on the scaffolding. This is our first bank in here, our bathrooms, dressing rooms, miscellaneous room in through here. This is the corridor we talked about all the time that ties the space in. It makes a pathway for the students right in through here. Again, it's always neat to be able to watch this progress. There'll be a nice set of doorways out in through here. And then again, from the overhead down in the basement, and here's the stairway and how we build them. Block it all the way around, the different elevations, and then finally the masons will go in through here. As we continue down the corridor, let's take a quick peek. Again, this was the first area that the mason worked in, right in through here. All right, we just got the steel inspection today. So even though it's mostly a masonry building, it's still a combination of some steel. Our dressing rooms and combination bathrooms you see in through here. That's the theater area right back in through here. Okay, we have a temporary partition in through here. All right. We're going to move on again. This corridor we talked about, this passageway, leads right into our light core area in here, our main corridor in through here. We talked about this a lot in the overhead. We talked about the elevation changes from way down in the corner. And as we come up, again, there'll be a set of stairs in through here to enter this section of the building in through here. We were here last time. We talked about the granite benches that are going to be in through here. Our handicap ramp over here that travels all the way around to get us up in through here. Let's take it on through here. So I understand we're one day off here. The crane's coming tomorrow. Our V columns in this section, the big bolts that you see there, very exciting. The next time we come out, the V columns will be installed. Again, posts that come up like this here to be able to support the high bay in this passageway in through here. Okay, some miscellaneous structural steel. This is part of the structural steel that we see in here. The next time we come down through here, this steel will be installed. Different look back, and again, like I said, it's a combination. So we got some steel ties in. That's where you see the open bolt pattern right in through there. As we come out into our main space here, last time we were here, we shared the high bay area right in through here. This is going to be our paint shop in through this section. We've got some steel right in here. That's how tall the area is going to be in through here. Our loading dock area right in through here. All right. So the mason's working hard. We had a great look in the overhead. These are the intermediate partitions that are built before our shops. And that's how it's done. So the scaffolding is in there. It can be removed. This is the dividing wall right that you see right in here. That separates the high bay in this area right in here. Paint shop, scene shop. There's a wall that separates them in all of our miscellaneous electrical, welding, painting shops down in through here. So big progress, tough time of the year. We had some tough weather since the last time we were here. We got a break in it today. You know, some good temperatures. Tomorrow, torrential downpour. So the old saying was you make hay when the sun shines, and that's what's going on. I usually like to make the videos when there's not so many people around, but these guys are working extended hours to make this happen. Again, today is March 14th, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.